Look for new ways of perceiving things. Look for new ways of talking about things. Look for new ways of vibrating about things. These times, the end of this year is so powerful. It's so powerful on the one hand, just because all the outer planets are doing all these major aspects. It's so powerful on the other hand, because for the bulk of the population, it's probably overlooked because it feels like in the 3D world, like there's nothing we can really actualize or do. But remember that this physical world, everything we see today is a product of the past, and we are creating tomorrow today. So the more we can embrace that and honor that and be that, the more we're going to really put an extra push of creative juices towards what's going to unfold in next year and the years to come. So